You know, it's too late for me to turn my back on VP Sara. Pinagtiwalaan ko na siya nung kami parehong tumakbo sa unit team. At syempre, pinagkatiwalaan ko na siya dahilan kung bakit ako talaga ay ginigipit ngayon ng Marcos sa administration. No? So, I have to walk the talk at I will go all the way and support her. Maski hindi talaga ako naniniwala kay Amy Marcos, I will blindly follow my political leader and do as she said.
And
We will
also
vote for
voting
Amy
po.
Marcos for the sake of VP Sara. Kaya nga lang, mukhang hindi ako makakaboto because I attempted to register under the overseas voting system of the COMELEC at apparently I missed the deadline.
Oh.
Ang deadline pala was way back in September, no? Bago pa ako dumating dito sa Netherlands, no? So sabi ko nga, well, I think that this enfranchises me and I will file something with the COMELEC kasi ang registration naman talaga to participate in the vote is until the day of the election. No? So I don't understand kung bakit magiging disqualification yung hindi ako nakaregister sa overseas voting. Samantalang ongoing naman talaga ang registration pa.